Hey beauties! Did you know that collagen is essential for youthful skin, but unfortunately, it decreases as we age? Today I'm excited to share with you a delicious way to boost collagen through nutrition and how it can significantly impact your skin health. Let's move to the secret to glowing skin, a homemade collagen boosting smoothie. This smoothie is packed with ingredients that will help improve your skin's elasticity, hydration, and overall radiance. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support really helps me create more valuable content for you. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite smoothie ingredient. Let's face it, environmental factors and the natural aging process can take a toll on our collagen levels, leading to pesky wrinkles and sagging skin. But fear not, there's a natural solution. By incorporating collagen-boosting foods like vibrant fruits, nutrient-rich vegetables, and protein sources into your diet, you can effectively enhance your skin's elasticity and overall appearance. These foods work wonders from the inside out, promoting a healthy glow. Collagen is a protein that plays a crucial role in maintaining the structure and elasticity of your skin. As we age, our body's collagen production decreases, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. But don't worry, this collagen-boosting smoothie will help you maintain that youthful glow. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, I'm thrilled to reveal my secret homemade collagen-boosting smoothie recipe. Packed with key ingredients like collagen powder, antioxidant-rich berries, hydrating coconut water, and creamy avocado, this smoothie is a game changer for achieving that coveted radiant skin. Ingredients? Let's take a look at the powerful ingredients we'll be using in our smoothie today. 1 spinach, rich in vitamins A and C, which are essential for collagen production. 2 berries, high in antioxidants that protect the skin from free radical damage. 3 citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, packed with vitamin C, crucial for collagen synthesis. 4 avocado, contains healthy fats that help maintain skin moisture and elasticity. 5 Greek yogurt, provides protein and probiotics for a healthy gut and skin. 6 chia seeds, high in omega-3 fatty acids, which support skin health. 7 honey, natural humectant that helps retain moisture in the skin. 8 collagen powder, optional, for an extra collagen boost. Preparation method. Now let's get started with the preparation. It's super easy and quick. Step 1, gather your ingredients. Step 2, wash and prep the ingredients. Step 3, blend the ingredients. 1, start with a handful of spinach. 2, add half a cup of mixed berries. 3, squeeze in the juice of 1 orange or half a lemon. 4, scoop out half an avocado. 5, add half a cup of Greek yogurt. 6, sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds. 7, drizzle a teaspoon of honey for sweetness. 8, optionally, add a scoop of collagen powder for that extra boost. Step 4, blend until smooth. Step 5, pour and enjoy. The importance and benefits. This homemade collagen-boosting smoothie is not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your skin. Here's why each ingredient is important. 1 spinach and berries provide essential vitamins and antioxidants that help in collagen production and protect the skin. 2 citrus fruits, rich in vitamin C, a key player in collagen synthesis. 3 avocado and chia seeds contain healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids that keep your skin hydrated and plump. 4 Greek yogurt offers protein and probiotics, promoting a healthy gut and glowing skin. 5 honey helps retain skin moisture and adds natural sweetness. 6 collagen powder directly supplies your body with collagen, enhancing skin elasticity and reducing wrinkles. And how this magical smoothie works on our skin. Consuming this smoothie regularly can help boost your skin's collagen levels, improve hydration, and protect against environmental damage. The combination of vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats works synergistically to give you that glowing, youthful skin. In summary, collagen plays a vital role in maintaining skin health, and by incorporating collagen-boosting foods and recipes like this smoothie into your routine, you can revitalize your skin from within. Remember, glowing skin starts with nourishing it properly. And that's the secret to glowing skin with our homemade collagen-boosting smoothie. I hope you give this recipe a try and see the amazing benefits for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Your support helps me create more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite smoothie ingredient or any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers to healthy, radiant skin.